Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we'll solve exercise 10A from new syllabus 1. Number 1. Express each of the following ratios in its simplest form. So how can we solve this problem? We can solve this problem in three different ways. I'll show you. At first, 5 by 6 is to 7 by 10. Ratios in its simplest form, that means we need to convert into lowest term and it should be the whole number. But look, there is a fraction in each part. So we need to convert. So at first we can solve in this way. 6 and 10. What is the LCM of 6 and 10? If we look at this properly, we can see that LCM of 6 and 10 can be find it out by using this idea. 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. That means 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30 will be the LCM of this one. So we will multiply 5 by 6 into 30 is to 7 by 10 into 30. Now cancel 30 by 10, it will be 3. 30 by 6 will be 5. So 5 5s are 25 and 7 3s are 21. And this is the answer of this problem. We can solve this one in a different way, that is 5 by 6 is to 7 by 10. When you will see there are two terms, then we can say that this is actually the division. So instead of ratio, if we write division, then what will happen? We know that in a division of fraction, we will do the reciprocal after the division sign. So there is a multiplication, we will convert it at first, and reciprocal of 7 by 10 will be 10 by 7. Now cancel 6 and 10 by 2. If we divide 10 and 6 both by 2, then 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. Then we will get 5 5s are 25 by 7 3s are 21. Or we can write 25 is to 21. Okay. Now, last method that is very interesting, very easy. We will use this one when we have only two terms. That is the cross multiplication method. That is 6 7 are 42, 10 5 are 50. So 50 is to 42. Now convert into lowest term. 50 and 42 both can be divisible by 2. So 50 by 2 will be 25. 42 by 2 will be 21. Okay. So look, in three different ways we can get the same answer. I hope you understand this one properly. Now question number B. We can solve these three problems like three different ways, but I want to solve this one like a short method by using the cross multiplication method. So 43 is 120 and 13 18 jar. 13 18 jar 234 is to 43 is 120. Now convert into lowest term, divide both 1 by 2. So 2 1 jar 2, 2 1 jar 2, 2 7 jar 40 and 260 jar 120. Now we need to divide this ratio again by 3. So if I divide 1, 1, 7, that means 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 7, 9. So 9 is divisible by 3. So 1, 1, 7 by 3. 3 3s are 9. We have 2, 27, 3 9 is 27 is to 3 20 is 60. We can also solve this problem by using the division method. 13 by 40 is to 3 by 18. So 13 divided by 40 into, by using the division sign, we can say this one will be 18 by 3. Okay. Now cancel the values. So here 40 by 2 will be 20 and 18 by 2 will be 9. Then again 9 by 3 will be 3. So right now 13 3s are 39 by 20. At final answer we can write 39 is to 20. Okay, I hope you understand this one properly. Now, question number C. Question number C says 3.6 is to 4.5. At first, we need to convert this decimal into fraction. 3.6 can be written as 36 by 10. 4.5 can be written as 45 by 10. So we can use three different methods to solve, but it is better if we use the division method. So 36 divided by 10 divided by 45 by 10, then 36 by 10 multiplied by 10 by 45. Now cancel 10 and 10, and 36 and 45 both can be divisible by 9. 9 4 ja, 9 5 ja. So answer will be 4:5. Simple one. Now, question number D, 0.4 is to 20. 0.4 can be written as 4 by 10 is to 20. So we can use this idea. We can just multiply 10 by 20. That is very easier one. 4 is to 10, 20 is a 200. Why? If you want to know the reason, then you can say that if I can write 4 by 10, ratio, that means division 20. Then what will happen? 4 by 10 multiplied by 1 by 20. Okay. That means 4 by 200. Okay. This is the way. So we can write this line from this line in a very easy way. Now convert. If we divide numerator and denominator both by 4, we'll get 1 by 15. So my final answer will be 1:15. That is the simplest form of the given ratio. Now, question number E. Question number E says 1 whole 1 by 2 is to 1 whole 1 by 2 can be written as 3 by 2. This ratio sign, we can express this one as a division, okay? Or we can just multiply 2 to the 4, then we can easily write 3:4, okay? But if I want to solve by using the division method, then 3 by 2 into 1 by 2. Then we can get 3 1 ja 3, 2 2 ja 4. Done. So 3 by 4 can be expressed as 3:4. What about number F? 32 is to 40 is to 24. We can divide each one. We can divide each term by 8. 8 4 ja 32, 8 5 ja 14, and 8 3 ja 24. Then it will be in its simplest form. Okay. Now question number G. Question number G says 1 whole 1 by 3 is to 2 by 3 is to 1 by 6. So here 3 1 ja 3 plus 1 4 is to 2 by 3 is to 1 by 6. Now we need to multiply each fraction by the LCM of the denominators. So what is the LCM of the denominators? We need to find it out. 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6. That means 6 is the denominator. So if we multiply each fraction by 6, then what will happen? Look, 6 by 3, 2, 6 by 3, 2, 6 by 6, 1. So 4 to the 8 is to 2 to the 4 is to 1. Okay. So why we are multiplying each fraction LCM of the denominators? Because we need to convert this fraction into whole number. Okay. And then do the simplest form if necessary. Number H, 1.2 can be written as 12 by 10 is to 2.8 can be written as 28 by 10. Now, if we multiply each fraction by 10, then what will happen? So, we can say that we can easily cancel 10 and 10. Then we will get 12 is to 20 is to 28. Now, divide each term by 4. 4 3s are 12, 4 5s are 20, 4 7s are 28. So 3 is to 5 is to 7 will be the answer of question number H. Now, question number I. 1.4 is to 2 by 5 is to 1 by 3. 1.4 can be written as 14 by 10 is to 2 by 5 is to 1 by 3. Now, we need to find out the LCM of the denominators. That means LCM of 10, 5, 3. We can write 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5, and 3. Now multiply. 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30. So we need to multiply each fraction by 30. So we are multiplying this one by 30. 30 by 10 will be 3. 30 by 5 will be 6. 30 by 3 will be 10. So what will you get? 3 14 ja 42 is to 6 2 ja 12 is to 10 1 ja 10. Now convert into simplest form. How? Divide each one by 2. 221 ja 2 6 ja 2 5. Okay. This is the simplest form of this ratio. Now question number J. At first we need to convert this mixed into improper. 5 6 are 30 plus 2 32 is to 9.6 can be written as 96 by 10 is to 16. Now multiply each one by 10. Why? Because LCM of 5 and 10 will be 10. Okay. So 10 by 5 is 2. So 32 2 is 64. 10 by 10 is 1, so 96 is to 160. Now, divide each one by 4. 4 1 are 4, 4 6 are 24, 4 2 are 8, 16, 4 4 are 16, and 4 40 are 160. Now, divide each one by 4 again. 4 4 are 16, 4 6 are 24, 4 10 are 40. Again, we can divide each one by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. So 2 is to 3 is to 5 will be the answer of question number J. Now, question number 2. Question number 2 says, express each of the following as a ratio of the first quantity to the second in its simplest term. Here, two questions are here in the form A is to B, number 2 as a fraction. So 25 cents. So 25 is to 8. When we convert any number into ratio, that means first quantity to the second, the units should be same. So both units are cents. That means we can convert into ratio. 25 is to 80. Now, if we want to convert into simplest form, then it means we need to divide both 1 by 5. 5 5s are 25, 5 16 are 80. Then, so this is in the form of A is to B. Now, if I want to convert this one as a fraction, it can be written as 5 by 16. Okay, very simple idea. Look here, 210 degree and 360 degree at question number B. Both quantity has same unit, that means degree, so we can easily convert. So at first we are cutting 0 and 0, so we can write 21 is to 36, and units also will go because we know that in a ratio there are no units. Now divide 21 and 36 both by 3. 3 7 are 21, 3 12 are 36. Then this is already in the ratio form. Now, if I want to convert into fraction, it can be written as 7 by 12. 250 centimeter, 1 meter. 250 centimeter, okay, fine, this is done. But we need to convert meter into centimeter also. Why? Because to convert into ratios, we need same unit, okay? And we know that 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Now, both 1 is centimeter. Now converting to ratio, 250 is to 100. If I cancel both 1 by 10, then it will be 25 is to 10. Then divide both 1 by 5, 5 5 is 25, 5 2 is 10. We can also write this one as a fraction, that is 5 by, okay, I hope you understand this one properly. Question number D, 80 cents, $1.20. So this is cent already given, but we need to convert this dollar into cent. So $1 equal to 100 cent, 100 cent. So $1.20, that means $1.20 will be 120. Now 80 cents and 120 cents. Now do the ratio. 80 is to 120. Now divide both 1 by 40. 42 is 80, 43 is 120. Simple. And the fraction form is 2 by 3. Then, now, question number 8. 1 kg, 250 gram. If I want to convert this kg and gram into gram, then we know that 1 kg equal to 1000 gram. So 3 kg will be 3000 gram. 3 kg will be 3000 gram. So 1 kg 250 gram will be 1250 gram. And 3 kg will be 3000 gram. Now convert into ratio. 1250 is to 3000. Now divide both 1 by 10. So it will be 125 is to 300. Now divide both 1 by 5. Then 5 2s are 10. Then there will be 2. Then the remainder is 225. 5 5 is 25. Here 5 6 are 30, 60. Again divide both 1 by 5. 5 5 is 25. 5 12 is 60. So this is the ratio form. And if I want to convert this ratio as a fraction, it will be 5 by 12. Then question number F, 3 minutes, 30 seconds to 1 hour. So here we need to convert into same unit. We know that 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. Okay. And what about 1 hour? 1 hour equal to 3600 seconds. Okay. So all will be converted as second. Why 1 hour equal to 3600 seconds? We know that 1 hour equal to actually 60 minutes and 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. So 60 multiplied by 60 will be 3600 seconds. Okay, I'm just converting hour into second. Now 3 minutes 30 seconds can be written as 3 multiplied by 60 plus 30. Then this one will be converted as second. 360 is 180 plus 30. So 210 seconds. And 1 hour equal to 3600 seconds. Now convert into ratio. So 210 is to 3600. If I cancel both 1 by 10, then we will get 21 is to 360. Then divide each one by 3 again. 3 7 is 21 and 3 120 is 360. Then it will be converted as ratio. Now, if I want to convert into fraction, then it will be 7 by 120. And that is the answer of question number 2. Now, question number 3. A is to B equal to 7 is to 9. And B by C equal to 6 by 13. So we can express this one in this way. B is to C equal to 6 is to 13. Now, if I look at this, there is a common number that is B. So 9 and 6 should be same. How can we make both one as a same number? It is better if we want to convert 9 and 6 as their LCM. So we can divide 9 and 6 both by 3. So 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. Now multiply 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18. That means we can say that 9 will be converted as 18 and 6 will be converted as 18. Look, right now, this both B will represent 18. Okay, so we need to convert this one at first. So if I want to convert 9 to 18, that means we need to multiply by 2. Simple. So if we multiply any quantity in a ratio by 2, then we need to multiply this 7 by 2 again. 7 2 is 14. So if we multiply 6 by 3, then it will be 18. Similarly, we need to find out equivalent ratios. So 13 multiplied by 3 will be 39. Okay. That means A represent 14, B represent 18, C represent 39. Now look at the question. Question number A says A is to C. A represent 14, C represent 39. Done. Very simple idea. Now, question number B. Question number B says A is to B is to C. A represent 14, B represent 18, C represent 39. And question number C. Question number C says 2A by 5C. Okay. So actually this one is 2 by 5, 2 by 5. And what is A is to C? 14 is to 39. Also, you can write A by C will be 14 by 39. So A by C equal to 14 by 39. Okay. Now, we need to do the calculation. 14 2 are 28 and 5 into 39. That means 5 9 are 45. We have 4, 5 is 15 plus 4, 19. So 28 by 195 will be the answer of question number 6. Question 4 says, in a car park, the ratio of red cars to green cars is 5 to 6. So red car is to green car equal to 5 is to 6. Green car to blue car. Green is to blue. Green is to blue equal to 3 is to 10. Now, the question says find the ratio of red car to green car to blue car in its simplest form. So, here green is the common part. So, 6 and 3 should be common 1. Okay. Then we need to find out the LCM of 3 and 6. We can easily say that will be 6. So, 5 is to 6. This is similar. Now we need to convert this 3 to 6 to make same ratio. So 3 2 are 6. So look, the quantity is same right now. So if you multiply this 3 by 2, we need to multiply 10 by 2 also. So 10 2 are 20. Then we can easily say red is to green, green is to blue, equal to 5 is to 6 is to 20. So red is to green is to blue, 5 is to 6 is to 20 will be the final answer. It is already in its simplest form. I hope you understand this one properly.